Good morning, guys. Alright, so we're gonna get the Alfa out, but first, we gotta move the Abarth first. So let's get a cold start on a heavily modified Abarth 500. Everyone always asks me, what exhaust do you have on your Abarth? I have the ELGato exhaust. It consists of a 200 cell high flow downpipe with a mid pipe that has a small resonator and nothing else, and it sounds perfect. It's amazing. And speaking about ELGato, right now we are going to go to an ELGato Cars and Coffee up in Oyster Bay, but first we got to meet up with my buddy Vinny. He also has the white Alfa Romeo 4C. He's been on the channel before, so we're going to meet up with him, and then we're going to head to the ELGato Cars and Coffee. So let's rock and roll. Alright, it's time to start her up. Let's get a cold start. I don't know if you heard that, but that's the, I believe, I'm not sure if that's the transmission priming or if it's the motor priming. I think it's the trans, but correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's the trans. When you open the door, okay, I gotta look it up. When you open the door, before startup, the trans actually primes up. Again, if I'm wrong, correct me, put it in the comments below, but I believe it's the trans just priming up before you start the motor. Let's get a cold start on a bone stock Alfa 4C. Cold start. Morning to the Alfa Romeo. Alright, so we got a cold start on the Alfa. Again, she is bone stock except for my wheels and my steering wheel, which I'll show you again later. Stock exhaust. 6 feet away. It sounds great, she really does. The bone stock Alfa sounds really good. I just don't like the way the stock exhaust, the tips, I don't like the way the tips are. But very soon, that's going to get changed. And she definitely needs to be going. I'm thinking about getting Ibach springs from Euro Propulsion. What do you think? Should I go springs, coilovers? You let me know. I think I'm going to go with the springs. But again, let me know in the comments, what do you think? It's just such a beautiful car. I got to clean off the windshield. I was driving yesterday for quite a bit, and I got a few bugs on there that I murdered. So we're gonna clean that off, and then we're gonna meet up with my buddy Vinny. So let's get to that. Fill her up. 93 only. She's a thirsty girl. Proceed. All right, boys, you already know what's about to happen. Bridge, tunnel, loud car. Let's do this! Woo! Sounds good. So good, and let me tell you, these shift lights are amazing. All right, guys, we finally made it to the ELGato Cars and Coffee. All right, we got our Alphas right over here, and then along over here we got another Alfa. We got the Honda S2000s. We got Toyota Supras with big fat turbos. We got the Porsches. We got rally cars. We got the new Corvette, Ferrari F40, F430. But we're gonna go over there soon and check all those out. But we got to discuss something. What's going on, Vinny?
Hey, what's going on?
All right, so me and Vinny, we met up at the gas station, and long story short, he comes up and he says that he's got the check engine light. Just came on. So as we all know, when you get a check engine light in the 4Cs,
you cannot change the driving mode. So you can't go into dynamic, you can't go into race mode, nothing like that. And then a few minutes after that, I got to check engine light. So it wouldn't be a normal day without check engine lights on the Alfas, Fiats / Chryslers. So we reset the batteries, the lights went away, but then they came back. But they're driving normally, shifting normally in natural mode, right? It's called natural mode?
Natural mode, yeah.
So we disconnected the batteries for another 30 minutes and we'll see what happens. But again, they're driving fine. So after this, we're going to bring them home. We're going to get the code reader and see what they say. But again, check out Vinny's Alfa. Nice and lowered, looking sexy. Wheels nice and flush. So right now he's on the I-box springs and he's got spacers in the front and the rear. And just look at that. No gap. The wheels are nice and flush. The wheels are like, it's not like flush with the fender. It's right behind the fender, but in a good way, because if he bottoms out, the wheel's not going to hit it's not going to hit the fender wall. So that's really good. It's going to go inside. So he won't rub, which is really good. Same with the back as well. I'll show you. Very nice. Perfect spec. And then when you compare it to my car, mine sits like a truck compared to his. Like, look at this. I can literally fit 4 fingers. Is that what she said? I had to throw that in. I can fit 4 fingers in here, right? Look at that wheel gap. That's embarrassing, all right? And I'm rocking the Evo Corsos from EC Euro Compulsion. Thank you very much. Absolutely love these wheels with the Federal tires. And then if you go to his car, 1.5 fingers versus 4. So I have to lower my car. Vin, I tell you this all the time, but you're a bad influence. Making me spend more money on my car. But yeah,
by
guys.
the way, I'm running Euro Compulsion Phase 2, and I love it. Euro Compulsion's great, man. I would highly recommend their products.
Oh yeah, he's got the Euro Compulsion Phase 2 tune, really strong.
It's so fast right now with that tune.
Oh yeah, his Alfa definitely pulls on mine, no doubt about it. My car is completely stock, right? Exhaust, stock ECU. The only thing I have is the wheels, right? And he's got a catback exhaust, he's got a cold air intake, and he's got the Phase 2 tune from EC, and the car pulls hard. So soon, I'm gonna be tuning the car so I can keep up with Vinny.
Yeah, I don't know.
We got the beautiful Honda S2000s. Classics. See you, bro. Clean, very nice. All right, we got the STIs. This one looks like it's pretty lowered, possibly on coilovers. The nice yellow STI brakes, very clean, very nice. BMW M3.
People
clean.
couldn't figure out how to go.
We got the Volvo.
So
We got the Toyota Supra with a big fat turbo. Look at that thing, huh? I think the guy told me that this thing was it can make up to 800 horsepower. Insane. And right-hand drive. Look at that. That's cool. Very cool. Can I borrow some horsepower? Hey Ben, you think you'll let us borrow some horsepower? That's nice. Wow, this brings back like every single Fast and Furious movie. Well, the first one. And the second one. The second one has a Supra as well. This is nice. We got the butterflies doors. Man, what is this thing? What is this called? We got butterfly doors. We got right-hand drive.
Tell me the name of it.
I forget what it's called. It's cool.
Oh, SERA.
Wow.
Sarah.
I'm just blind. Look at that.
Right-hand drive.
SERA. Sarah? This is cool. And look at the look at the exhaust. That's cool. That's cool.
Toyota original car audio. That's pretty cool.
That is cool. I like all the glass that's on it. That's really nice.
Never seen one of this. Right? Yeah, it's pretty cool.
got the BMWs coming in, little pops and bangs. We got some Porsches. Nice. GT3 RS. Very nice. Black and green accents. Okay. Clean. BMWs. 6.3 AMG. We got more. We got more Porsches coming in. Clean, bro. Nice. We got the race brakes. M5. More Porsches coming in. Clean, bro.
Yeah, all right.
I like the tan interior on that. Very nice. I've always been a fan of that. We got this beautiful Shelby GT350. White with blue stripes. This is an icon right here. This is nice. Got another GT350. Blue with the black stripes with the white pinstripe accent. Ooh. Is this a RS or ST? This is an RS Focus, and it's got the 1552 wheels on it. If you guys don't know, these are the 1552. These are rally wheels. Very nice. Very clean, very nice.
But those are like nice.
We got the new Corvette. I think we're gonna get a nice cold start. V8, naturally aspirated. That's the Mustang. Woo! That sounded good. Five on four now. Corvette, 500 horsepower. That's fast. Vinny, what do you think about the SR8?
I love this thing. This is nice, man. This is a manual.
It's a manual?
Yeah,
It's gated?
Yep, gated.
Woo! You don't see that every day. Gated shifter. It's a 6-speed. Now that's clean. See, this is the ducktail spoiler.
Yep.
We got another Alfa. Oh, we got the 4C. They parked next to us. We're parked in the back. Maybe he'll see us. But yeah, so that's a ducktail. You see how it just comes up more?
Yes.
This R8 is nice. This is clean. This is cool.
I have
Whew, we got the Rolls Royce.
my close friend, and he's like a wholesaler, like a car dealer.
Check this out.
And
That's
you know,
mountain,
gets
baby.
you anything you want, but he's a jack.
You know, I gotta say, the green
like,
is
to
growing.
the core. He's like this quick this one guy.
Yeah.
Talks like this, and you know, I'm kind of like a scam artist.
Not even
really.
like the
But
colors.
I
just
mean,
dark blues and dark
you
greens.
know, I could hook you up with him. You just got to be careful because he can get you any jack.
Let's check out that Alfa over there. Let's go bother him.
I don't know what's next.
All right, so we got another Alfa 4C that just pulled up in white. Really nice. And what's nice about this one, it's got the tan leather interior, which is really cool. Like I said, I've always liked the tan interior on the inside of the cars. Very clean, bro. Very nice. His license plate says 4C. You get it? 4C. All right. This is cool. Very nice, bro. We got our Alphas over there. We got mine. We got Vinny's. And we got Andy's right over here. Very nice, bro. All right, so behind our Alphas, we got the BMWs. We got the Ferraris. I like the color combo on this one. It's got the tan interior. I've always been a fan of the tan interior. Very, very nice. So beautiful. Naturally aspirated V8. Woo. Looks like he's got a custom exhaust. Very nice. Sounds good, bro. M3, baby. He's even fast. All right, so we got Rick's Alpha over here, nice and slammed, always looking good. I like it. This is on air suspension. Really sick. Look at that.
Which one?
Rick.
I had a few models.
So yeah, the base one.
Okay.
2.3.
Yeah.
Looking good, bro. Alpha's looking clean. Again, look at that. I mean, he's bagged out right now, but look at that. That is crazy.
That's crazy.
Again, in the front over here. Look at that. That's crazy, bro. Clean. Very nice. Good. Got the vents up front. Got the Quadrifoglio badge. Beautiful car, bro.
We were actually like, what?
All right, let's take a walk around. Let's see what we got. We got the BMWs, we got the M3s, we got the Volvos, we got the Toyota Supra, Fast and Furious, baby. We got M3s for days. 911 Turbo S. Beautiful. Love this car. Very nice. We got so many Porsches here today. Very nice.
Yeah, he's probably gonna get it.
Did you see aerodynamics?
I told him, you want it?
Look at this wing. Very nice.
But you take your own.
Yeah, oh, I know. He sent me from my dad. I'm surprised he didn't run into us.
That's a beauty. Center exhaust. Very nice, bro. We got another Ferrari over here. I believe this is a 430. Oh, I love this right here. Again, with the tan interior, the red accents in the seats, and it's a gated shifter. This right here is rare. There's not many 430s out there in the gated shifter, and that will make it hold its value. Really nice. Absolutely love the 430. She's a beauty. Whew. She's got more Porsches. What a beauty. This is nice. Gold wheels. 911 Turbo 4 GTS. Target top. Beautiful. Sounds really good with the center exhaust. Whew. We got the Corvette. We got the V8s over here. American muscle. Old school BMW M3. Very nice. Wow. X5. We just got more Porsches. We got the BMW with the butterfly doors. Check out this Porsche. It's got a yellow cage. This is a GT3. It's got a yellow cage inside. The nice racing seats. PBK gearbox. Wow, this is nice. Carbon fiber wheel with the carbon fiber paddle shifters. Very clean, bro. I love it. Very nice. Good. It's got the nice big wing. The intake on the back. Woo. 3.8. We're about to get a start up on the Corvette.
Good again. Remember,
Let's hear this.
all right? All right, Doc. Be good. Take care.
American muscle.
All right, Tommy.
It's hot
Take care.
here.
Yeah, man. Take care of yourself.
This GT3 is nice. I like the spec on this GT3. Really nice. This is nice. Very clean.
Some sort of something.
That's how I ruin all my shoes.
All right, so
I wear them on the outside.
if you look really closely, here's a fun fact, guys. This is the latch on the Alfa Romeo 4C. Okay? You see this? Get a good look at this.
If you do get back into it, that's the way to do it.
Now, this Ferrari over here, you said this is the 360, right?
Yeah, it looks correct.
Ferrari 360. If you look at the latch over here, it is identical. The same thing. So Ferrari and Alfa definitely share parts. Chrysler Fiat.
Yep, that's for sure.
Beautiful 360.
Thank you.
Beautiful. That color is beautiful. This is, I would get the only colors I would get in Ferrari: red or yellow. And again, the tan interior on the seats, beautiful. That's crazy though, how the hood latches are the same. All right, we got Andy leaving over here. Hey bro, it was really nice meeting you. Have a great day, all right? Drive safe.
Thank you.
Beautiful fall sea. Bye, Alpha.
That stock exhaust sounds really good, man.
Stock exhaust does sound good.
Yeah.
I love the way the Alpha sounds, but I gotta change the way it looks in the back. I just don't like the soda cans in the back. But the car sounds amazing. I call it soda cans. Yeah. All right, guys, we are leaving the ELGato Cars and Coffee. Hey, Vinny, get home safe, bro.
All right, well, you too.
Oh, I got a loan in my car. Your car looks so good, lowered. I'm jealous. I know, I gotta go over. He's just smooth sailing, baby.